Beacon of Hope, a magnificent sculpture 20 metres tall of a woman holding a ring at the junction of the Queen's Bridge and Oxford Street.
The Beacon of Hope looks out confidently over the River Lagan towards the East Belfast and the Castlereagh Hills. She's always admired by her guests, but is also cherished by the people of Belfast.
Which is quite an achievement for public artworks in this city. The stainless steel and cast bronze sculpture was created by Andy Scott and presented to Belfast in 2007. The ring she holds aloft is the Ring of Thanksgiving, which symbolises the gratitude of those emerging from the pain of conflict. She stands on a globe of the earth, which highlights places in the world where Belfast has had trade links or people have migrated to over the centuries. It reminds us to look beyond our own past and celebrates peace and harmony. Her location at the bridge was also intentional as a metaphor for bridge building between our communities. The Beacon of Hope stands in an area that was once physically dilapidated, scarred by the conflict and where lives were lost, so the location is both poignant and optimistic. Today it is called Thanksgiving Square. A local woman, Myrtle Smith, was inspired by a square in Dallas, Texas of the same name and was the first to put forward the idea for her own version. Given the regeneration and resilience you can see in Belfast today, the city itself has been called a beacon of hope when it comes to conflict resolution. But naturally, this being Belfast, she has a few alternative nicknames: Nuala with the Hula, the Thing with the Ring, the Doll on the Ball, and Janet on the Planet. Feel free to pick your favourite or even to create your own.
It reminds us to look beyond our own past and celebrates peace and future harmony. Her location at the bridge was intentional as a metaphor for bridge building between our communities.